Welcome to Luminavibe, the channel where we journey together towards inner peace and serenity. I am your guide, and today, we embark on a transformative experience with our energy cleanse meditation. Before we begin, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and join our growing community of seekers. And don't forget to comment "I subscribe for my best" down below. Your presence here truly makes a difference. Now, find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down, and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, and exhale slowly. Release any tension you may be holding on to. Inhale positivity, exhale negativity. Picture yourself surrounded by a luminous, healing light. Feel it enveloping you, creating a protective cocoon of positive energy. As we dive deeper, imagine a gentle breeze sweeping through, clearing away any stress, tension, and anxiety. Visualize this breeze carrying away all the weight you've been carrying on your shoulders. Now, imagine a soothing wave of calmness washing over you, starting from the crown of your head, flowing down through your body. With each breath, feel this wave purifying your mind, body, and spirit. Picture any lingering negativity being gently lifted away by this cleansing tide. As we continue, become aware of a warm, golden light at the center of your being. This radiant light represents your inner strength and resilience. Allow it to expand with each breath, filling every cell of your being with positivity and light. You are in control, and you possess the power to cleanse your energy. Now, in this serene state, let go of any thoughts that no longer serve you. Embrace the tranquility within. As we gradually conclude this meditation, carry this newfound sense of calm with you into your day. Thank you for joining me on this journey of self-discovery and healing. If you found this meditation valuable, don't forget to subscribe for more transformative experiences. Comment below, "I subscribe for my best," and let's continue to spread positive vibes together. Until next time, may your days be filled with peace, love, and luminous energy.